So Anthropic put out this blog post, and they even call out Cloudflare's code mode, which we've covered at least once, and then I talk about quite a bit. So the idea here is it covers a lot of issues that people have with MCP. And Tom, we talk about the context bloat issue, where if you load in too many MCP tools, you really start having diminishing returns, and it can mess things up right out of the gate. And that happens because with the MCP protocol, by default, it downloads an entire dictionary of what the tools are, their description, and it can get absolutely crazy. Like that massive MCP server we're covering had 52 tools, and I think it was like calculated about 32,000 tokens just right out of the gate. So that's like a third for a lot of models. That's like a third, I don't know, a quarter of the context right out of the gate. So Anthropic, they put out this blog post talking about code execution mode. And essentially what this is it's instead of loading that entire dictionary through the native MCP protocol, it's looking at what tools are available, and then it's going to write a script, or it's going to write code to execute against those. And it's kind of hard to explain if you're not into the, like, Tom, do you understand what the difference is? It's outlined right here. So this is the flavor.
So tool definitions, yeah. And then the example is like, all right, Google Drive, get the document, what's the description, retrieve the document from the Google Drive, parameters are the document ID, and then fields, optional string fields to return, and it returns the document object with title, body content, metadata, etc. So those are the tool definitions. And then the tool descriptions occupy context window space, increasing response time and costs, right? So the problem is basically overloading the context window. And also, I thought the problem state was also like handling the responses, right? It's kind of like a fire hose just streaming in of just lots of random shit when you get all of this stuff coming in.